Dental Model 2.0 is a low skin irritation and low skin allergenic UV curable resin for 3D printing. It has low shrinkage, temperature resistance, high hardness physical properties for dental application, suitable for mass-produced products such as invisible braces. Try and model for all kind dental and medical application. Today we will use the professional dental 3D printer Pionex DJ89 with Ortho Dental Mold 2.0 resin to print the orthodontic dental mold. Now let's set the printing parameters. For printing parameter settings, please refer to the parameter suggestion table. This is the final printing effect. The printed dental mold has high precision, high size and model restoration.